What's up? This is your boy Eddie Mac, and here we have the Crep Protect Crate, aka drop front box. So first we have the price. It's going to cost you $40 plus tax, and I'll leave a link down in the description to where you can buy it from. But again, 2 boxes come in a package, and this package is going to cost you $40 plus tax. So next we have functionality. Just being able to see and access your shoes without having to dig to the bottom of the pile is a huge plus. Next we have looks. Now there are normally 2 main types of drop front boxes that people normally choose from. And those are these, and then you have the all clear ones that you can get from the container store. But in my personal opinion, I think that these look better, even though you can see your shoes better in the all clear ones, and they are cheaper, which is a plus. But I just think that these look better. The all clear ones I think are $10 a piece, and these are basically $20 a piece, but they come 2 in the box, so you end up paying $40. So that's why I ended up going with these over the all clear ones. So let's turn it over. Let's see what it says on the back. Okay, so it says drop front for easy access, crystal clear front door, high quality and durable, prevents sunlight discoloration, dust-free storage, stackable crates, and fits up to a size US 13. So let's open it up and see what we have. You just have to cut these tabs, this little tape open. So we have some directions, and you have to be careful when you put this together, I will say, because you will break something. So you basically have like 20 plastic pieces and 20 pieces of foam. This is basically what you get, and these are the doors. And it basically fits together like a little puzzle. See it. Now I can't put this together from behind the camera, but I will show you what my setup looks like as of right now. I'm about 8 boxes in, plus these 2 boxes. And then I have some more on the way, so yeah, that's it. Start it up. This is where you have to be careful. These little tabs right here, you have to be careful when putting those in. You will break it. I think that's it. But like I said, I can't put this together from behind the camera. I don't want to break anything. But I'll show you what my setup looks like as of right now. And like I said, the all clear ones, you can see your shoes better. But I just think the all black setup looks better. And also like I said, just being able to see your shoes. I mean, maybe like the first 10 pair that I pulled out seemed like all black or red, which is my favorite color if you don't notice. But again, just hit me in the comments if you have any comments or questions.